Welcome to Joe Duffy BMW here at Charlestown. My name is Chloe and today we have a beautiful BMW 3 Series Sport Touring. This is finished in a metallic alpine white. This is a 2025 2-liter petrol plug-in hybrid. I'll be going through some exterior and interior features. This is a fully automatic transmission. If we take a look here, we have our 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. Coming to the front now, we have our iconic BMW kitten grills. We have our BMW adaptive LED headlights. Coming now to the side, we have our gloss black trims along the windows and on the roof as well. Now approaching the back, we have automatic opening and closing boot functionality. Here, as you can see, we have plenty of compartment space here and underneath for charging cables and whatnot. Press this button here and it automatically shuts. Now approaching the rear passenger door, we have rear privacy windows. Taking a look at the interior, we have finish in a matte black finish. We have ISOFIX child seating support system as standard. Taking a seat here, we have plenty of legroom space. This is a 4-zone climate control. We have 2 USB-C ports in the back underneath. Space for any drinks and extra compartment on the sides of the doors. As you can see, we also have some silver chrome accents along the doors as well. Now taking a seat in the driver's seat, it is foot on the brake, push start to turn on the engine. Here we have our instrument cluster with our speedometer and our range. On the left here we have our infotainment menu, currently telling me the weather. Here we have our media where we can connect to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. We also have our navigation. If we stick it in reverse, as you can see, we have a view of the rear view camera. We have ultrasonic sound sensors, and that is given with a visual aid. From here we also have telecommunication, and we can also access the front control zone. Here with the climate, we have heated seats as well, always a plus. Underneath here we have some gray and silver chrome accents. Underneath we have some ambient lighting, the vents, we have some media controls and more AC controls. Underneath here you can place your phone. You have cup holders, USB-C port. Here is our gear and transmission where you can easily navigate the menu using the spin dial, as you can see. From here you can also explore the different modes. We have sport mode, hybrid mode and electric mode. You can also hit it into auto handbrake, which is very handy when you're stuck at the lights. Now we also have extra compartment space in the center as well as another USB-C port for charging. Now if I bring your attention to the BMW flat bottom steering wheel, we have cruise controls on the left and media functions on the right. This is a sport package, so we have the automatic pedal shifters on the left and on the right. Here we have our buttons for the windows, which you can automatically open and close, and electronic folding mirror. Above we have our SOS BMW emergency call button as standard. This beautiful BMW 3 Series is available for purchase on Joe Duffy BMW and across various other car selling websites. If you'd like to book an appointment, a test drive, have any questions for us, you can always contact us here at Joe Duffy BMW. Thank you.